Muslim Affairs.
Well, providing for 150 pesos minimum wage increase for employees and workers in the private sector, Senator Patricio.
To the Committee on Labor, Employment, and Human Resources Development.
13. Abolishing of Southeast Asian member states traveling to other ASEAN member states, Senator Patricio.
To the Committees on Ways and Means and Tourism.
14. Expanding the grounds for dissolution of marriage, instituting divorce and setting the procedures thereof, providing protections to the parties to the marriage and its common children, amending for the purpose E0209 or the Family Code of the Philippines, Senator Padilla.
To the Committee on Women, Children, Family Relations, and Gender Equality.
Senate Bill number 15, providing for the medicalization of cannabis, expanding access to medical cannabis as a means of medical treatment, expanding research into its medicinal properties, enumerating prohibited acts and prescribing therapies thereto, Senator Padilla.
To the Committees on Health and Demography, Public Order, and Dangerous Drugs and Finance.
16. Enact mandating the unified certification of halal products, processes, and services in the Philippines and for other purposes, Senator Padilla.
To the Committees on Cultural Communities and Muslim Affairs and Finance.
Senate Bill number 17, mandating the establishment of Muslim prayers rooms in all public offices and establishments, Senator Padilla.
To the Committees on Cultural Communities and Muslim Affairs and Finance.
18, defining and prohibiting political dynasties, but providing penalties therefore and for other purposes, Senator Padilla.
To the Committees on Electoral Reforms and People's Participation in Constitutional Amendments and Revision of Codes.
19, strengthening the early childhood care and development system, amending pertinent sections of RA 10410, otherwise known as the Early Years Act of 2013, appropriate funds therefore, Senator Padilla.
To the Committees on Basic Education, Women, Children, Family Relations, and Gender Equality and Finance.
Senate Bill number 20, establishing at least one nursing home per city or province for senior citizens, appropriating funds therefore and for other purposes, Senator Padilla.
To the Committees on Social Justice, Welfare and Rural Development, Government and Local Government and Finance.